Well, the handle on the shovel broke, so we don't have another handle. So what do? Very straightforward. Obviously, take out the old bits of wood. It just split this way. It looks like it was cut with a knife, but I know it just split this way on its own. And so the new handle is gonna be the old handle, just this much shorter. If that makes sense, I hope it does. And this is exactly what I did here. It's done. How did I get it this shiny or whatever? It's already a short handle shovel, so it's now even shorter, but hey, it's better than scooping the snow with your hand. Okay, as inconvenient or as difficult as an even shorter handle is. So what I did is fairly straightforward. Obviously, cut the end of it somewhere straight, and then I cut some more off it. But very importantly, and you can do this with a chisel, but I have this handy belt slash disc sander thing here. I don't want to switch it on. It's noisy and it's dusty and it's also pointless. So to make a handle, I just held it in this position, or to point the end of the stick a little bit, and I just rotated it slightly. I can hold it with my other hand here at the D handle, very straightforward, and rotate like so, and it took like 30 seconds to point the end of the handle, and it just needs to go on somewhere square or sensible or whatever in this position. That's why I have the drill here, and these two screws are the same two screws that were in the old handle. So I just need to, I'm gonna pre-drill it so the wood splits less, or less likely to split at the end there. Just pre-drill it and put the screws back in. Done. Well, technically what I'm shoveling is not really snow, it's more ice. It's going rather poorly like this, and then it breaks up in chunks like that. Now, I would love to have two hands on this shovel, but you can see how it looks like. Big chunks and more big chunks there. And yeah, I want to open these doors. So yes, it is the 13th of May apparently in 2021, and yeah, and that's how situation looks like in Rankin Inlet, Nunavut. Large piles of ice, and yeah, so that's what broke the shovel.